Hello YouTube fam, and welcome to another episode of Fishing That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie and Roman. So family, we out here at Anthony Ferry Boat Launch. Y'all seen us out here before, at least me out here before. This is my favorite spot to clean fish. We're in a bit of a rush this morning because we have a thunderstorm approaching and approaching fast. This is probably going to be the introduction or the end of an upcoming video, since we're only going to weigh the fish and we're going to clean it, and then we'll probably cook it at a later date. So fam, real quick. All right fam, before we go any further, there's a couple of y'all who put your guess, and I'm sure by the time that this video comes out, there'll be more of you. But at this moment, we have Kathy Knox 935 at 4.8 pounds. We got that Donnie Dickerson 8077 gets 6.3 pounds. That's 6.3. It's gonna be close. Chuck Johnson 8407 5 3/4 pounds, and I think that's Derek Tate 4778 gets 5.8 pounds. All right family, without further ado, let's get going. All right, let's go ahead and get big boy out of here. Woo-wee.
That is a beady
Catfish.
You sure he's dead?
Yeah, he been in that ice for 2 days.
Oh yeah, he's dead. There's no way you can bring him in.
All right.
Had to bend
Now,
his bone
you know what? I shouldn't have done that. I should have put him on cutting board.
Cutting board.
Yeah, we don't want that table to be all fishy. This dude is almost too big for the cutting board.
Oh wow.
Be careful, boy. You're gonna spin yourself.
Oh yeah, because they sting you.
Or that fin will cut you.
It cuts?
Well, I stuck one through my finger one time. I went to try to put the knife through it, and whoo! All right, not in front of the camera, boy.
Sorry.
You ain't that cute.
Here you go.
All right, fam. Here goes. The moment we've all been waiting for. Put that in his mouth. Boom. Did that hold him? Yep.
For a second.
For a second. All right. Make sure this is on. And 0.
0, 0.
0, 0, 0. All right, fam. We're gonna hold him up. Put this in place, and then we're gonna drop him. Boom. All right, Roman.
7.91 pounds.
Are you kidding me? Whoa!
That would mean the closest guess was Don Erickson.
With a guess of
6.3 pounds.
whoa. Let's do that one more time.
7 pounds.
Make sure we're accurate, fam. There we go. 0. 0. Verify.
0.
Boom. Drop him. Boom.
7.84 pounds. He is
He's
a 7-pounder.
A 7-pounder without a doubt. Close to 8. Well, no, 7.5, because we got to factor that in. Fam, you saw it here. Booyah. Let's back up a little bit so we can get the full. Uh-oh, careful, boy. Get the full effect, fam. There he is. Booyah. Big boy. That is my personal best, Roman. Ooh, see that fin almost got me. That's Pawpaw's personal best.
Of a 7-pounder?
Oh, yeah. I have never caught one that big before.
My friend has caught a big red down the camera. He's just like, hook, bam, big red.
Did he had to put up a fight?
Nope. He's just like, hook, and...
Hook, line, and sinker.
Yep. And then they ate that thing.
That's what I'm talking about.
They probably still have it in the fridge, some of it.
All right.
Cut
I
it
always
open?
put this in first. That way, without putting the battery in, that way I don't automatically or accidentally hit it and start it up in my hand.
Don't let it hit the rain.
Oh, that's not, water ain't gonna hurt it.
Oh yeah, because it's a fish tank.
Yep. All right, fam. Like I've said in previous videos.
Fillet time.
Yep, I don't think YouTube cares as much as we think they do. This Catfish kind of gives you an outline on how to trim it. I'm gonna try to stay out of that belly. Yeah, kinda. I got a longer blade. I probably should have had it, but I can't find it. This is going to be interesting. Oh, I might be too far up. Start down here. I think I was too far up, y'all. Yep. I didn't follow my own rule, my outline. Look at that thick fillet.
Thick. That's gonna be a nice dinner.
Yes, it is.
What you gonna do with it? Make fish tacos, fry it?
That fish taco sounds good. That's something I haven't done on the channel.
Oh, you actually have. In one of the earlier...
I did fish tacos?
Yeah, in one of your earliest videos.
Your memory's better than mine, fam.
No, we've been recently watching it.
Oh, y'all been watching Pawpaw video?
Can I touch it?
Sure.
Jiggly.
Jiggly. All right.
The other side?
Yep, we do the other side.
Gotta make sure not to hit the bone, or you gotta
Yes. Yes, that outline right here. And you kind of come right up there and try to miss that belly.
Got it.
All right. When we get a smaller one, I'll let you learn how to fillet.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Actually, we just want the meat not touching it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Now.
That is a fillet.
Woohoo! All right, fam. I'm gonna go ahead.
There's just like blood in that one spot.
I know, right? We're gonna send him back to Mother Nature.
Yeet!
As far as I can. Turtles and stuff. Yeah, Mother Nature gonna take care of it.
Turtles, alligators.
Turtle, alligator. You don't want to really attract the alligator that close, but yeah.
Oh look, I can see him float. He measures the alligator. Oh.
Yep.
Wipe it off.
Clean up all that blood for YouTube. All right. There's a garbage can. The one on either. Are you scared to touch this? Hold on.
Huh?
Bam. 7.5 pounds. Woohoo!
That's a big boy.
That's a big boy. My personal best.
Made it.
Try to keep it as close to that skin as possible.
Get all that meat.
Get all that meat. Ah, came out a little bit right there. Oh yeah. See that? That's what you want right there. You want it to look clean, like right next to that skin.
There's
Left
no
a
more
little
fins
bit.
on here, right?
No, you can do whatever. You can touch the skin,
Can
whatever.
I throw it in?
Yeah, throw it. Just be careful with those roots. Don't get too close and throw yourself in the water.
I won't.
All right. Ah, that was a weak throw.
Slippery.
Yep, catfish they're slimy. I'll take my time and try to keep it close to that skin without cutting through it.
Get all that.
Get all that.
And then, are we gonna put them back in the cooler, or?
Yeah, I got some Ziploc bags. Climb up in there.
Oh, I see it.
You see them sticking out there? We're gonna cut it in half. And we beat the thunderstorm. Man, that's fast.
Whoa, eagle! Look behind you.
You saw? Oh my goodness.
He is huge.
Bam! Freaking eagle. I hope y'all got that. That is freaking awesome. Is he coming around? Let's see if he's coming around. There he is. He landed in the top of that tree. That is awesome. I hope they got that.
Imagine if he landed in this tree.
I know, right? That would be, we're probably making too much noise, but that would be freaking awesome.
One time, a small one landed in a tree down my road. And it had a nest. Oh, there it is! Behind you! Right.
Oh my God, I
Let's
missed
for
it.
the carcass.
Okay.
Dang!
I hope y'all seeing that. I got the camera turned the other way. Bald eagle in Louisiana. Amazing. I'm coming over. We interrupt normal programming to show you a Louisiana bald eagle. This is his home. I've seen it here before.
Oh.
Right there in that tree, y'all.
Right. Oh shit, we gotta go.
I know, but we got to get the bald eagle on camera.
That should be a good shot. You guys see it?
It's gonna be unclear if I get too close, but come on, y'all.
Oh yeah, you guys see it? You can see the white head. That's an eagle.
That is a freaking eagle, y'all. Roman, can you believe that? Just sitting there,
No.
nesting beautifully for us.
Honestly, no. I cannot. I was thinking it'd probably fly somewhere into the forest.
Just sitting there waiting. That is freaking awesome.
Well, we have to bounce.
We gotta bounce, I know. Give me one of those.
What?
That's like a trash bag. Know what I was talking about right here, Roman? Right there in that behind you, in your butt. Right where your butt is, turn around.
Oh, I see.
I stuffed bags in there. There ain't no like a grocery bag in there. Did I finish this one before we start? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fam, sorry about that interruption, but how can you not? Oh, Mother Nature is so freaking fantastic, y'all. All right, let's get this cleaned up so we can get out of here.
Got the bags.
There ain't no freaking. Okay, hold on. My bad, Roman. Right there, the Ziplocs. My bad. Thank you.
Should I dump this one out?
Yes, please. And we'll use it.
2.
Yeah, you go. Thank you. This might turn into an episode all of its own.
3.
One of those non-fish catching episodes. No, I just need the 2. I'm not putting each one in a individual bag. We're gonna do 2 and 2.
Okay. Where's that fish skin? I'm gonna throw it.
I already threw that one.
Oh man.
Sorry about that, homie.
I probably would have thrown it well anyway.
Yeah, I threw it way out there.
Whoa, whoa.
Alrighty.
Clean that off and I'm gonna throw it away.
No, on the side of that table. Yes, right there.
What?
So,
Got you a set up.
it's a beautiful thing.
You don't mind shoes on your bed, do you?
No, not at all. That is a camping setup. No more, no less.
Okay, you slide a bit of it in here and I can start putting it on.
Kick that bottom out.
Got it.
Hey, awesome.
And then
Now the cooler goes in and gets strapped in right there.
give it a seat buckle.
Yep, give it a seat belt. Boom. This goes right here. Get strapped in. Oh man, this is on it. Don't step on it. I need to lift it. All right, there you go. All right. Hey, we're almost ready to travel, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Hit my brothers.
Close it up. Oh
Got
wow.
it?
That's heavy.
Yep. All right. Did you reach it? I should have made it a little bit longer for you, huh? All right. Push in and turn. There you go. Same with that one.
Oh, they turn outward.
All right, fam. I don't know if this is going to be a complete episode or not, but if it is or if it isn't, we're going to bring this segment to an end. So, family, if y'all enjoyed this brief video, y'all know what to do. Give us a thumbs up. And if you love what we're doing here at Fishing That, consider becoming subscribers. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you be notified every time
we drop a new
awesome video. Awesome. It's new, but awesome. All right, fam. Y'all take care. See you in the next one. Peace.
Okay.